Hi everyone, I'm Spio Mahamele, enrolled at EEC Benoni campus. I'm doing management level 4 NCV. The management course consists of 7 subjects: operation management, management practice, financial management, wholesale and retail, English, LO, and maths literacy. As someone who did not complete my matric, I advise someone at home to come at Benoni campus and enroll with us, because here you gain more working experience. They prepare you to do better for future purposes on their work industry. So for someone who's there sitting there at home, don't think that not completing matric is the end of the road. No, it's not. Come to Benoni campus. Trust me, you will.